Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Saturday Racing, May 17, 2025. Karera sa araw ng Sabado. Meron tayong 7 races, all 7 races. May pare-parehong distansyang 1,400 meter distance. Patuloy, Philracom Rating Based Handicap System Race, ang Summer Racing Festival. At no bearing races, no effect pa rin. Starting time ng karera, 4 p.m. alas 4 ng hapon. Just finished, katatapos lang ng karera para sa araw ng Biyernes. 4 win, 3 loss po tayo. Yung 3 loss natin, ang istorya parang magkakahawig or parang yung naikwento ko sa 1,200, no? Pero yung race 1 ay 1,400 naman. Yung race 1, yung ating pong first choice na dihado, Cerveza, inabot pa. First choice natin. At yung race 2, first choice nating Chef Cut, inabot din. At yung isa pang loss natin sa race 6 ay hindi naman lumampas kay Mr. Manilenial, yung ating first choice na dihadong Super Spunky, Patron, at siyempre yung Hot Rat Hearts. Second, third, and fourth placer, dumating yung ating tatlong tip po natin. Pauwi po tayo. Sana better result ngayong Sabado. Isahan po natin ating mga cool choices. Number 1, winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Isang non-winner, 3-year-old and above maiden race, placers. Ang ating pong first choice, number 2, Trusted 1. May coupled entry, 2A, Tricky Road. Isang imported na kabayo. Second choice natin, imported din na kabayo, Bolshevik. Last time out, si Bolshevik ay not so good run, no? Not so really good run. Bumandera ng malayo agad-agad pero tumukod. Pero ngayon, sa race 1, ine-expect ko na better run at mas magbibigay na magandang performance. Race 2, pick 6, cover races 2 to 7. First choice natin, number 3, Antonio de la Mugis. Second choice, number 4, Carried Away. Ang malamang na llamado, outstanding favorite sa race na ito. Third choice, number 9, Make or Break. Sa race number 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. First choice natin, Puting Kabayo. Number 7, Isla, Puting Bato. Second choice, coupled entry, 2, Red Soul. Ito yung principal. Ang kakoupled, 2A, Ligeron. Si Red Soul, pag merong talagang winning mode, ay nandun kagad, nasa bandang unahan. Number 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. First choice, number 8, Ragamapin with Jackie BJB Galieta. Second choice, number 7, Queen Gabi. Patricio R. Dilemma will be on the saddle. Race 5. First choice natin, number 7, Polite Bell. JB Hernandez on top. Second choice, number 6, Distant Thunder. Will be skipper by MB Pilapil. Third choice natin, number 5, Bantay Sarado. AR Villegas riding. Tumako na tayo sa penultimate race, race 6, race na may pentafecta. First choice, number 4, Deremate. Super Hawk RC Tabor riding. Second choice, Solo Aire, walang lucha, agad-agad mauuna. Number 6, Osam Cole. Kung sakali, malalaman natin sa diretso kung matatapos ang pangunguna. Third choice, number 8, Magical Sap. Race 7, last race. Paratingan, race na may Super 6. First choice natin, couple entry, 3, Black Diamond. 3A, ito po yung principal, Winter's Fury. Second choice, number 12, Queen Margot. Third choice, maraming entries dito yung tinalo niya. Lalo na last time, may mga tinalo na si Rito. Number 13, Sinag. Happy racing! God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!